Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about giveaways. And before I get into the giveaways, I want to tell you a little story about giving and love. So once upon a time, there was a man eating a fish. An older man comes up to him and says, "Young man, why are you eating the fish?" And the young man says, "Well, I love the fish." He goes, "Oh, you love the fish. So that's why you took it out of the water, you killed it, and you boiled it." He says, "Don't tell me you love the fish, you love yourself. And because the fish tastes good to you, therefore you took it out of the water, killed it, and boiled it." So much of what is love is fish love. Now, an external love is the love of giving and not receiving. And people make a serious mistake thinking you love to those whom you give. But the real answer is you give to those whom you love. And what does that mean? Well, what that means is when I give you something, I've invested myself in you. And since self-love is a given and everybody loves themselves, now that part of me has become in you. And there's a part of me in you that I love. So true love is a love of giving and not receiving. And I really hope that made sense to most of you. Now let's get into the giveaways. All right, so for giveaways, now what I'm giving away is the QX7S for my new Patreon starting the end of last month. So this whole month you have a chance to win. There's only like 5 new Patreons. So your probabilities of winning the QX7S is very high. Also, I'm giving away the SKyzone Sky02X goggles to my patrons, whether you're new or old. And next month is going to be the SKyzone Oleds. Last month I've already announced the IOMways, and I'll have more giveaways upcoming soon. Really premium stuff. And on YouTube, expect one to be upcoming soon. And some of my builds will be up for giveaways, both on Patreon and on the YouTube channel. So come join my Patreon and get a chance to win something. And it also supports the channel and allows me to keep doing what I'm doing if you guys like the content. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.